Living near a busy road or highway can be annoying, and according to a new study, it can also be a lot worse than that. Researchers say people who live close to busy roads have higher instances of dementia. CBC Health reporter Vicadopia has more.
From bustling streets to busy highways, new homes are getting closer to heavy traffic, and sometimes heavy traffic is at the front door. Public Health Ontario mapped where 250,000 people diagnosed with dementia live relative to major roadways over an 11-year period. The study found people who lived within 50 meters or half a city block from heavy traffic had a 7% higher incidence of dementia. For those 50 to 100 meters, it was 4% higher. And for anyone living more than 200 meters, there is no extra incidence of dementia. When researchers mapped multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease, traffic made no difference. Dementia was the exception.
I think our findings, along with fairly large additional scientific literature, argue that despite improvements in air quality, there's probably some public health benefit from further reductions in traffic-related emissions.
While the increase seems small, the study's authors call the statistics significant because the disease is so common. Still, other specialists want more research into pollution's connection to dementia before drawing any conclusions.
The results can be due to many reasons, and unless they're replicated using a similar methodology, we can't be sure that the results actually mean what we think they mean.
Almost 20% of Ontarians live within 50 meters of heavy traffic, and the number is even higher in Toronto. That's why this expert in urban planning says the potential added health risk of traffic pollution is worth thinking about as cities like Toronto grow.
Generally, we are dealing with a transportation network that's over capacity, and we're dealing with the housing crunch. And so trying to figure out how we can plan a network that accommodates all the new people coming into the city is going to be really important as we move forward.
While the authors of the study aren't suggesting that people should move, they say their findings are worth considering for anyone choosing a place to live. Vicadopia, CBC News, Toronto.